log A multiplied by B in logarithm is equivalent to log A plus log B, since they have the same base. Okay, so let's apply it here. Since we have multiplication here, we can have 3x is equals to log bracket 5 plus log 12, all divided by this. Hi, welcome to today's class. Let's find the value of x in this equation. Solution. Alright, we are given 25 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power x equals to 60. So let's find x. Let's express this 25 as base 5 so that we can have 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by x dot 5 raised to power x is equal to 60. Alright, from indices, you recall that b raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power n is equal to b raised to power m plus n. Remember, this is n. Remember, this is n. So they have the same base, so we can add the power. Now let's add these powers. We have 5 raised to power so we have 5 raised to power 2x plus x equals 60. So that this is 5 raised to power 2x plus x is 3x equals 60. Now take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. I can have log 5 raised to power 3x is equals to log 60. Good. From logarithm, when you have log b base a raised to power m is same as m multiplied by log b base a. Okay, good. So let's apply this rule over here. In the left hand side, we can now have 3x multiplied by log 5 is equal to log 60. Good. Now divide through by log 5. Good. Divide through by log 5. Remember, we have 3x log 5 is equals to log 60. So dividing through by log 5, we have log 5 divided by log 5 divided by log 5. Good. This can cancel. We now have 3x is equal to log 60 divided by log 5. Now because of this 5, let's express 50 with respect to 5. 60 is same as 5 multiplied by 12. Now let's put it here. Can have 3x equals to log bracket 5 multiplied by 12, all divided by log 5. Also, when you have log a multiplied by b in logarithm is equivalent to log a plus log b, since they have the same base. Okay, so let's apply it here. Since we have multiplication here, we can have 3x is equals to log bracket 5 plus log 12, all divided by this log 5 here. Also, in fraction, when you have m plus n divided by x is same as m divided by the denominator x plus n divided by the denominator x. So this log 5 is as x as a denominator. Let's distribute it to the numerator. We can have 3x is same as log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 12 divided by log 5. Good. This can now cancel. I will have 3x is equals to 1 plus log 12 divided by log 5. Okay, log 12 divided by log 5. Good. So from here, we have 3x equals 1 plus log 12 divided by log 5. Now, recall log a divided by log b is equivalent to log a base b. That is change of base, okay? Change of base in logarithm. So let's apply it here. I can have 3x is equal to 1 plus. So I'll have here log 12 base 5. Good. To find x, divide through by 3, which is the coefficient of x. Can now have 3x is equals to 1 plus log 12 base 5 divided by we have 3 here and we have 3. So that this 3 can cancel. We now have x is equal to 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3. So this is the value of x. Okay? So this is the value of x. Now let's check. Let's check and substitute this value of x and check and know. We were given 25 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equals to 60. So let's check. Okay? 25 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power x equals to 60. But this x is this. So we are going to substitute x here. But we expressed these two parts as 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5 raised to power x, which is 60. And we got 5 raised to power 3x is equal to 60. Now let's substitute x. Substituting x. Okay? Substituting for x. Okay. From x equals 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3. Substitute, put in 5 raised to power 3x equals 60. Okay, so I can now have 5 raised to power 3 all by the value of x, which is 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3. Is it equal to 60? Good. So this 3 can cancel this 3. I will now have 5 raised to power 1 plus log 12 base 5. Is it still equal to 60? Now, in logarithm, recall that b raised to power m plus x is said as b raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m. So let's apply this rule here. I can now have 5 raised to power 1 as this m multiplied by 5 raised to power this log here. I will have log 12 base 5. Is it equal to 60? Okay. From inverse log property, when you have b raised to power log m base b, it will give you m because this b, they are the same, the base are the same. So the answer will be what? M. Call it cancellation law. So here now, because they are the same, okay, the answer is going to be 12. So 5 raised to power 1 is 5 multiplied by here, which is what? 12. Is it equal to 60? Alright, so we can have 5 times 12 is 60 is equal to 60. So this is right hand side and this is left hand side. Hence x is equal to 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3. Alright, a quick recap. Okay, quick recap. We are given 25 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power x as 60. So we are required to find x. We expressed 25 raised to power x as 5 raised to power 2x. We added up the powers because they have the same base to have 5 raised to power 3x. then we equated it to 60. Take the logarithm of both sides and then divide through by log 5. Okay, so we divided through by log 5 to have 3x. So we divided through by log 5 to have 3x is equals to log 60 divided by log 5. But this 60 with respect to 5 will give us log 5 times 12 5. Now also log A times B is same as log A plus log B. Put it back here and have log 5 plus log 12 divided by log 5. Then distribute it very well in a fraction form. You now have 3x is equals to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 12 divided by log 5. Solve and find the value of x. So we solved and found x as 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3, which we have checked to have 5 times 12 as 60 does. X is equals to 1 plus log 12 base 5 all divided by 3. Thank you. Please, if you have a simpler way to solve this, share it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and wait for next episode. Check my playlist for more on circuit theory and calculus.